Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm down at Dub Customs and I'm going to be doing a few subtle changes to the exterior of the car. But yeah, let's get into the video. Ado, let's just quickly start at the front. So let's just get the brightness started. As you can see on the front, with it being the M140, M135, I have the M light, so you've got this ferret grey business around here, and obviously ignore the number plate, but as we get to the badge it's blue, and as we go around the car you can see there's a bit more. Don't know how well you can see it, but calipers over there are blue as well, along with the badge. Obviously ferret grey on the mirrors. Around the back of the car, chrome. So the chrome. I'm not a fan of it, and if you watched my Mercedes video when I had the A250, you'd know that that was one of the best things I've ever done to the car, bar like the other stuff. Definitely the chrome. So big changes needed to happen, so that's why I'm down at Dub. We're going to be wrapping that in a gloss black, so that way there's no chrome around the back of the car. And to add, we will be changing the M140 badge at some point, but yeah, definitely we are going to be changing that. Also, if possible, it's a little cheeky request from the boys down, I'm going to ask them to remove the blue. So everyone, it's each to their own sort of thing. I'm not a fan of the blue on the badge. Like, I know it's a BMW, I know it's the kind of like the statement to have this thing here, but I'm a fan of just blacking everything out. Not too much, obviously I still want to keep the ferret grey, I want to keep on that theme, but I'm just going to put some, I'm not going to do it, like obviously the boys are going to do it, but we're going to black these bits out here. These little 4 bits here are going to be blacked out, custom cut by the boys down here at Dub. And yeah, I think it's going to look better, but yeah, let's get into the video. As you can see, we've gone for the full blacked out badge, which looks amazing because we've still got the little chrome stripes in there. We haven't gone like too gangster, we're just trying to keep it nice and neat, nice and stealthy. Also, you can see we've managed to get rid of the chrome that's on the handle. I don't know why they've done that, but yeah, the chrome's gone on the handle and obviously on the boot. But yeah, big thumbs up to Dub. So if you are interested in getting this, I'll leave all the links in the description below. Get in contact with the guys down here. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.